Hi guys, we are back with another Figma plugins video, but this time we're covering AI plugins which are going to take your Figma design game to the next level. These will make your day-to-day design processes very easy, simple, and hassle-free. So it's going to save a lot of time and money. Alright, so the first one is called Draft Make, and the creator has multiple plugins that they have in the library, which include Draft, which is what we're going to check out, and UX Arts, which once again is super useful. It allows you to convert screenshots of anything into actual UI components inside Figma. So you can literally just download a screenshot of a design and import all the assets from that screenshot, and it works pretty well. Okay, for the UI Draft Make, this is a very good alternative to Figma AI with a lot of other additional features that are missing from Figma AI. It does two things very well, and as you can see, they are highlighted: edit or extend, which will allow you to edit your current designs. It's kind of like a UI Copilot essentially. For example, I want to convert these kind of grid cards from cards to list layout. So I want to say convert the card layout into a list layout, essentially asking it to change my designs on command. Now, as you can see on the left, it starts fidgeting with our designs right here. It's doing some things on the left in the layers panel, and it literally built this entire list layout for us based on what we had requested. And this is insane. This is sort of mind-blowing. What would have taken me 20 minutes took me like 1.5 minutes. And this is really good because it uses the original assets and designs. It's not sort of changing our designs completely. It's sticking to the theme. But as you can see, even while it's sticking to the theme, it does exactly what we ask it to do. It's built like this list, this linear list, vertical list that we wanted. And everything is perfectly aligned. The little heart buttons, the text, the titles, the subtitles, the ratings, the pricing, everything is perfectly aligned. It's not 100% there, padding's a little off, etc. But that's something very tiny which you can of course edit and change later on in your Figma designs. I mean, if Figma AI had such capabilities, which it doesn't right now, I mean, if Figma AI had introduced something like this, it would have blown up even more. But the fact that this can do it in our current designs, and very similarly, if you want to build something like this, just like this, you can do it from scratch as well by saying generate. This gives you up to 20 credits for free, so approximately 18 to 19 generations just like this. But the fact is you can actually choose multiple artboards as well if you would like multiple designs being changed, or generate multiple artboards in one go as well, just to save on those credits. But once again, a really insane suite of tools that this company has created. Really looking forward to more such AI plugins from them in the future. Now, this is just for people like me, 3D nerds. I absolutely love 3D designs, but building 3D designs inside Figma is tricky, obviously. You have to use a bunch of tools to be able to do that. Aleto allows you to literally pick a 2D image. It could be an image of a shoe, a car, anything, and builds a detailed 3D model inside Figma, which you can edit and fly around and then insert into your Figma designs at the end of the day. So I'm going to start this plugin and I'm going to show you how it works. For example, I have this little plant here and I want to convert this into a 3D asset so that I can use it in my designs. It gives me various different options for its style. So it could be an isometric icon, it could be a realistic 3D model, it could be low poly, or even a stylized 3D, which something like a Pixar-like style. Isometric 3D is what I'm going for, something that I really like. Medium detail, so it's fast, but I'll go for low detail to make sure it's lightweight. And then I'm going to say convert to 3D. And as you can see, it starts to study this design of this plant and is going to try and replicate it as a 3D model. And as you can see, it's generated this really cool isometric version of this 3D plant. The fact that it can actually build something 3D out of just a 2D image already is blowing my mind. But based on your requirements, you can sort of kind of place it like this, and then you can just import the current view as it is as an image, or you can download it through a 3D viewer, which literally is like a dedicated web page for this. They built it like this, as you can see on screen, and then kind of download it as GLB model to edit further in your 3D tools like Spline and whatnot. I think really cool possibilities with this AI plugin. It is a little limited because of its limited credits, but If you have use for it and if you want to use it in a lengthy project, you can always buy credits as you go. So I think that's kind of the only limitation. You guys won't believe how many DMs I get from you guys asking me what's a great course to start UX UI design and how to land your first design job. I did a little bit of research and I came across Internshala training placement guarantee course, and one of their student stories stood across. A student with no prior education in design or no experience at all took the UX UI placement guarantee course and built real projects, did a lot of real good classes in design, and was able to get their first internship in UX UI, which then led to better things in the future. So based on that, I said, okay, this is a course I can have confidence in. I'm sharing this with you on screen. What I love about this course is that it's not just theory, they are focusing majorly on industry level practices and actual practical lessons that they teach you so that you can get started with your first UX project. They have both live and recorded sessions so you can learn at your own pace and at the same time get an actual mentor you can talk to. And they also do a lot of soft skill training. Things like CVs, resume building, interview preparations, basically everything that you need to become job ready to get your first UX UI job. And the craziest part is that they're offering a placement guarantee program. Which means if you don't land a job or an internship through them, you do not have to pay anything. You get 100% refund from their team, which is of course a guaranteed way to start your career. I will share of course the relevant links. So if you're actually serious about starting your UX UI career, you want to take that one big step into your career, I think this is the perfect course for you. It's called the Internshala Placement Guarantee course, and anyone can take it. Once again, thank you Internshala for supporting the channel and helping making this video. This next one is one of my favorites on the list. It's called UIXX AI review design, and it does such a fantastic job at analyzing your designs, giving you feedback, and even helping you design better as a junior or even as someone who just wants someone else's opinion. AI will give you. Cool thing is you don't have to give it your entire design file. You can just select a page, a UI design page, a web page, whatever it is. You can right click on it, copy link to the selection, and just place it here. So it's not really taking away your privacy in this case. It's keeping that in mind. Then you can set it. It recognizes it here. You can choose the language as well. If you have an app which is in a different language, you can do that. Or if it's not an app, maybe it's an advertisement or a pitch deck or a presentation, you can even ask for feedback on those designs as well. But for now, I'm going to stick to it and I'm going to click on Analyze. As you can see, it has given comments on our entire design in different areas, and it keeps on populating as it studies your design. As you can see in real time, it's kind of populating one by one in different parts of your designs. So this is using Figma's original, comments feature to its advantage and giving you comments on your designs where necessary. So if there's a comment on, say, a title here, visual hierarchy and product name styling. So you can go under here and see detailed feedback of each and every comment. And the way it's organized it is also fantastic. There's of course effects. So if you can add effects to a design element that could help the visual identity or the marketing or the branding, etc., that could be cool as well. There are issues. So if it has or sees any issues, it will put it up here as well. Improvement proposals, certain improvements that can be made to the design to improve its usability, etc. And of course, things like rationale and predictions. So it can even make predictions whether certain changes will help you increase, say, conversions, sales, etc. So this is giving you detailed breakdowns of your designs and how you can improve it. This is so useful for each and every designer out there. I think this is a must-have if you're using Figma right now. This next plugin powered by AI is going to help you build flows. So whether it's a checkout flow, whether it's a product add to cart flow, whether it's a note-taking flow, whatever it is, you can give it your requirements and it will build an appropriate flow for you with UI design elements in place. So you can always replace them with your existing components and have a fully fledged design ready to go. It's crazy how such a useful plugin only has 5 users right now. It was just launched, so go show it some love and support. All you'll have to do is copy its basic component library that it's created, which links which allows it to link it to that component library. And then you can either build one screen or a multiple set of screens, which is the flow essentially. So if I want a clothing app, add to cart and checkout flow. So this is something that I can build from scratch using this plugin, and I'm going to say create flow. As you can see, it's built something for us, takes about 45 seconds to a minute, and creates an entire screens for us here as well. So it kind of feels like a wireframe essentially, and lists everything out. So there are different labels to each page. There's actual text and actual data that you can use later on. There's actually an explanation of everything that it's done here as well. So it's not just blank screens just put out just for the beauty of it, but actually is useful to designers who are studying it later on. Each page has been so meticulously designed, and it does exactly what I asked it to: create a flow of adding a product. So it has created a search result, it's created a product listing page, it's created a product detail page, as well as cart page, checkout page, and order confirmation page as well. So it has included everything that we wanted from it and were expecting. Wow, this is amazing. This is something that Figma AI is somewhat capable of doing, but not in the way it's done here. The detailed representation, everything is missing still. So it's really cool. Okay, this is the only text-based AI tool you need on Figma. I tried it out and it's super easy and simple, but it does something very crucial. It summarizes your designs for you, helps you see if you have any errors with the text, with grammar, etc. It also helps you shorten your titles, shorten big descriptions to fit into small areas, which is tricky often. And it has unlimited free use, no credits, no login, nothing. I have some long text describing this design. What if I want to summarize it? I can click on summarize, and it gives me various options as summaries. So it doesn't just give you one option, it gives you various options, and then you can re-articulate this in a small manner. As you can see, just quickly shortens it and replaces it. Apart from this, it can check things like spelling mistakes. It could be in a large project, you can select multiple text. You can even rewrite stuff. So it'll give you various ways of rewriting text. So I have a description of a t-shirt here. I can say cozy and comfortable, all cotton red t-shirt. It'll replace it with that. So it's a very simple little thing, but it'll help you with your designs. As a designer, I know how many times we've had to change copy. This is going to help you out. The next one is called AI Vectorize by Lottie Files. You can use the Lottie Files animation tool, but you cannot obviously do it with basic PNG or JPEG images. This allows you to convert your JPEG images with the power of AI. It recognizes your JPEG image, builds an entire vector graphic for you based on that, and also provides different layers, etc., so that you can edit them later on. This is once again one of those really simple tools alright guys, that is it for today's video. As you can see, it's dark out, but I still had to shoot this for you while traveling. So give a thumbs up if you did like this video, and also share it with other designers who are going to find this super useful. AI Figma plugins, who wouldn't? I'll see you next week in the next video. Until next time, take care. God bless.